Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to easily edit a talking head videos in Filmora from basic cuts to polished effects. Let's jump in. First, all you need to do is go to Filmora application that import your footage into the timeline. Start by trimming out any mistakes, pauses, or filler words using the split tool or scissors icon. Then, add a jump cuts to keep it engaging. Just remove the silent gaps and enlighten up on your speech. Then, for a smoother flow, apply a simple transition like dissolve between scene changes. Then go to the titles tab, add your name, topic, or key points using the lower thirds. You can also use an audio docking to automatically lower the background music under your voice. Just right click and your audio and enable it. Then there's also an option. You can add a B-roll clips or image over the talking part to support what you're saying. Drop them on the track to above the main clip. And finally, use a correction to brighten your face. Go to color tab and try presets like film or manually adjust the brightness and contrast. And that's how you edit a clean, pro-looking talking head video in Filmora. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.